Welcome to today's session. The topic is our concrete and terrazzo diamond polishing program. This is our ISSA prestigious Innovation Award that we've recently won, judged by our peers of our industry. It really means that we've done something well and the program really works. You're probably wondering, does my facility qualify for this particular program we're talking about today? I'm going to ask you three basic questions. Number one, are you interested in a floor care program that allows you to never ever deep strip, scrub, apply a sealer or a finish ever again? We would probably think you would say yes. Second question, are you interested in a floor care program that with everyday regular maintenance allows you to gradually increase the sheen and the floors continue to get better and better? The third question, if your level of expectation is higher as a general rule, are you willing to burnish as much as you want, wherever you want, whenever you want, to achieve that highest sheen possible? We would think you would say yes to those three specific questions. What I can tell you is water does not clean these surfaces well. Here's why, okay? The chemistry makeup of concrete floors are really calcium, salts, irons, effervescents, things like that, and regular cleaning surfactants found in heavy-duty degreasers and general-purpose water, which basically has none, okay, do not respond well to lifting and suspending those soils within the detergency and allowing the cleaning method, in this case an auto scrubber, to rinse it away, okay? What we've invented here with our EnviroSolutions ES37, we've built the right chemistry behind it that suspends all of the particulate matter that's found in concrete and terrazzo floors. That is your calcium, your salts, your minerals, your irons, your effervescents and things like that. And it constantly lifts and cleans. What does that do for you? That eliminates dusting. Is dust in an indoor environment hazardous to you? Yes, it can be. If you have merchandise in your warehouse that collects dust, if it's not cleaned before it goes out with freight process, a customer can receive that in a dusty, dirty way, and it really puts a negative perception on that. If you look at fine particles going through automated equipment and electronics found in your facilities, it could cause failures and things like that and premature replacement, which really causes you to spend more capital investment. So let's eliminate that dust firsthand. Let's clean the concrete and the terrazzo in the proper way found in an easy manner. This is a little different than polymer coatings. When you put sealers and finishes down, you generally end up with 3 or 4 coats and you'll be a 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 10. Where does that go from there? Generally down. We'll get you start at that 5 or 6 out of 10, and with using our single pad and our single chemistry, we'll continue to increase that sheen over time. When you first start our process, if it's not quite where you want to be, believe me, with your maintenance program, our single pad and chemistry, you will get exactly where you want to go without doubt. So with this diamond polishing program, you can expect up to 60% labor savings, which is a tremendous return on investment for you. This program is easily adapted to most any type of facility. Number one, you can use your current custodial staff. We don't need specialists, okay? Number two, we can use your existing common auto scrubber and wet vacuum and burnisher, okay? Number three, there's only 3 products for the whole entire restoration program. That's our EnviroSolutions ES35, 36, and 37. And here's the good news. You use 2 of those products one time and one time only. After that, your regular maintenance uses ES37, which is our cleaner, maintainer, polisher product, and our single pad. Another advantage, sustainability, lowering your footprint in landfills. no harsh chemistry, any kind of hazardous material that's going to affect the employee wellness of you whatsoever. From a product cost perspective, no more buying pails or gallons or cases of stripper, sealer, and finish. Let's protect our public and our people that come in our buildings by increasing the traction on the floor even when it's wet. And one thing I'll tell you is in the deep stripping process of polymer coatings, that is like ice, that is like grease, and there's a lot of slip and falls happen. Our process, when you're right in the thick of it with the restoration process, there is no slip whatsoever during that process. Let's talk about the three products that we're going to use here today. Number one, EnviroSolutions ES35 is our restoration cleaner. One-time use, dilution of 1 to 128. You're going to use that just like you would a regular stripper or scrub and recoat product, where you're going to put it down, run your series of pads over it. That actually lifts dirt, grease, grime, effervescence, those types of things, from the floor, and prepares that. It helps lubricate the diamond pads, as a matter of fact, and allows you to do the restoration process properly. I'm going to use that once. Next, we'll go to our EnviroSolutions ES36. That's our exclusive nano densifier. What that does is chemically draws together the fine cracks and nooks and crannies found in these natural floors, draws them together, bonding it, sealing it, giving you a harder substrate, reducing the amount of dusting and the allowance of penetration of stains and spills and spots. Then we go to our EnviroSolutions ES37, and what that is our CMP cleaner, standing for cleaner, maintainer, and polisher. Now, the exclusive thing that product does is, number one, it's the right detergency for your concrete and terrazzo floors. Number two, it has a little bit of a natural lubricant in it that actually cools the diamonds that are found in the pads, extending the life of those diamond pads. It has a little bit of densifier in it that's found in our ES36 that constantly feeds and replenishes that densifier content in the floor, allowing you to maintain and increase your sheen with regular maintenance. Let's actually show you how the process works. We're going to walk step by step through this, and the big thing we're going to show you is the visual from where we started to where we ended, right? If you look at the floor that's surrounding me here, this is typically a basic concrete floor where we would start. Let's see where we end up. Okay, so step one, using our 200 grit diamond FPP pad. Step two, using our 400 diamond FPP pad. Step three is when we apply our EnviroSolutions ES36. That's our nano densifier. That is a one-time treatment only. You dilute that product at 1 to 4, put it on the floor with a flat mop process, let it dry thoroughly for 30 to 45 minutes. Step four is using our 800 grit diamond FPP pad. Step five is doing our final rinse using a 1500 CMP pad, using that as a final rinse, and you're done the total restoration process. Hopefully what you've seen now are exclusive EnviroSolutions concrete and terrazzo diamond polishing program. You've seen the beginning, you've seen the end. I mean, this is our end result here, which we're particularly pleased with. And the beauty about this is it's a simplified program, so it's very easy for you to implement in your facility. The sheen will continue to increase and enhance itself with regular maintenance. It's major labor savings, it's safer for all of your employees and your workforce in your buildings. It's much more sustainable. You never ever have to deep strip, seal, or put polymer coatings on your floor again. That's a major return on investment for every single one of you. We're here to help you with the education and the knowledge transfer. Thanks for joining us today.